Hello everyone, this part will show you how to buy GaussDB instance. Before you buy, you need to have registered the Huawei ID and enabled the Huawei Cloud Service. The procedure will have 6 steps, and I will show you later. First step is logging into the management console, as you can see, to select a region, and then choose Databases GaussDB. Okay, at here you can find a button about buying button. Just need to click it. On the displayed page, select a billing model, configure parameters about the instance. I have some points to declare briefly. First of all, we select people use, and next is region. Products in different regions cannot communicate with each other over a private network. After the DB instance is created, you cannot change its region, so need to be take care. Next important parameter about the DB instance type. We have two different types means which is distributed and centralized. What that means? Distributed means that you can add nodes for distributed instances that need to handle large volumes of concurrent requests. And centralized is equal to primary and standby, which is suitable for scenarios with small and stable volumes of data. Okay, this two kind of parameter is also important about transaction consistency and failover priority. Today I don't want to talk too much about this parameters. If you are interested in it, you can read this detail. Okay, skip and go on. Okay, security group. You can select your security group and read that hint. What about database port? GaussDB the default port is 8000. You can click whatever you want. For example, I just need to click 999. So you'll find at here pop-up alarm that because the 999 is illegal port for GaussDB, the legal port is in that range, so you need to add 9 to make it illegal. After finish all configuration and click that. Okay, sorry. After finish your password and click next. Confirm the displayed details and read, for example, your billing model, your DB intent type, and check whatever you want. If you need to modify your settings, click in Previous. If you do not need to modify your settings, click Submit. Okay. To check the GaussDB instance information and manage it after the creation task is submitted, go to the intent page. This is the intent page. The GaussDB intent creation will take about 10 to 20 minutes. That's all. Thanks for listening.